Hi, my name is Doug Wilson. I'm the Director of Security here at Uptycs. Today in this short video, we're going to go over how you can install osquery in a standalone mode if you're using a Linux machine that uses the RPM method of package distribution. What I'm running right now is a CentOS machine, but this should run on any variety of Red Hat Linux. Right now, I don't have osquery installed. So you can see when I try and run it, nothing happens. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the osquery website, that's osquery.io. Click on the Downloads button and find the RPM version of the file. I'll then download this, and you may wish to do signature verification, but however you want to do this, get it downloaded and transfer it to your Linux box. I have the same file in this local directory here on the Linux machine, and we're just going to install it using the RPM command. I will say when this installation runs, you will see an error flagged because this box does not inherently trust packages issued by the Facebook osquery project. Fixing that can be done, but it's outside the scope of this video. So you're going to see a warning pop up here about a key being missing, but the installation will still work. So I'm going to do sudo rpm-i for install, the name of the package, hit enter. We see the key warning. A few moments later it returns, and now if we type in osquery I, we're able to pull up osquery and issue a query. So in this short video, we've showed you that if you have an RPM-based package system on Linux and you want to install osquery, you can go to the osquery website, download an RPM of osquery, and using the rpm-i command, you can install osquery and get it running in a few seconds. This is just the standalone version of osquery. This does not cover the daemon or having it speak to a logger or listener service, but this is enough that you can follow along with the various osquery examples we have on our website and play around with it locally on your machine. I hope this has been helpful, and I hope to see you in future videos. Thanks.